Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy SPX6900 on Trust Wallet. So guys, you can go ahead buying this cryptocurrency by simply opening up your Chrome browser and logging on to coinmarketcap.com. Alright, so once you've opened up coinmarketcap.com, simply locate its Ethereum contract address. So go ahead and copy its Ethereum contract address. Take note of the name of this token you're copying. It's the SPX6900. Alright, so once this is done, minimize and then open up Trust Wallet. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet to complete the transaction. The Ethereum is going to be used to convert into the SPX6900 and to also cover your gas fees or any other fees that you inquire along the way. Alright, so now how do you go about buying this token on Trust Wallet? So make sure you have Ethereum. If you do not, use the buy option on Trust Wallet, or you could simply receive Ethereum from either your personal account or from friends and family. Now, if you head to the Discover page on Trust Wallet, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, use the search or enter the app URL. That's this section here at the top of your screen to simply enter the Uniswap interface. So once you log on to app.uniswap.org and connect your wallet, let the site load up. Once the site has loaded up, click on Connect Wallet. Select the Trust Wallet as the wallet you wish to connect. And once the connection has been completed, where it says Sell Ethereum, receive the SPX6900 or select token, click on Select Token. Remember to paste the contract address of the SPX6900. Click on it and then enter an amount of ETH, that's Ethereum, you'd like to swap for this token. So once you've entered an amount, all you need to do now is simply click on swap and it's done. So guys, this is how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.